Hello everyone, and welcome to the DUT App Factory 2-minute tutorials. My name is Sachin, and in the last video I covered the basics of SQL. In this video I'll be going over the installation of Microsoft SQL Server and SQL Server Management Studio, which we will be using for the rest of the series. These useful tools are for managing database systems and are a good entry point for learning SQL overall. So what are these software used for? These software products are referred to as relational database management systems, with the primary function of storing and retrieving data as requested by other applications. Given the central importance of this role, it is necessary that this is set up correctly early on to avoid any issues. To get started, first go to this link shown to the official page for the installation of the software. The version that I suggest using is the Express one, as it is free, light, and can be used for production type of work without running into any licensing conflicts. This version can also be upgraded in future if the paid features are required eventually. Now go ahead and click the Download Now button to start the installation process. Once it finished downloads, click the .exe file to start the installation. Once the window finishes loading, click the Basic option. Read the licensing agreements, then Accept. Choose the default location for the installation, and wait until everything is installed. Once you get to this screen, click the Connect Now button to make sure your server is working. A command prompt would open, and if it looks like this, you know that everything worked correctly. Now to install the server management system, click on this tool over here. This will take us to a new web page where we can download the Server Management Studio. Go ahead and click download, and we are going to install the software just as we did with the last one. Once it finishes downloading, click the new exe file. This should open up a new window and prompt you to install the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. This will take a lot of time, but once it's done, it'll prompt you to restart your computer to finish the installation process. Once your computer restarts, you can find the software by searching for Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio 18. If you get to this point, then congrats! You've successfully installed all the necessary software that will be used throughout the rest of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you next time.